Welcome to this tutorial on how to spend with GoHenry allowances. GoHenry is a prepaid debit card and app designed for kids and teens to learn how to manage their money. In this guide we will walk you through the steps of spending with GoHenry allowances. First, you need to set up your GoHenry account and receive your prepaid debit card. Once you have your card, you can start receiving allowances from your parents. Your parents can set up a weekly or monthly allowance that will be transferred to your GoHenry account. To spend with GoHenry allowances, you need to first check your balance to make sure you have enough money in your account. You can do this by logging into the GoHenry app or website. Once you have checked your balance, you can start making purchases online or in store using your GoHenry debit card. When making a purchase, you will need to enter your card details and the amount you want to spend. Make sure to only spend what you can afford and leave some money in your account for future purchases. You can also set up a budget in the GoHenry app to help you track your spending and stay on top of your finances. GoHenry also offers a feature called Money Missions, which provides educational content to help you learn about personal finance and money management. By completing these missions, you can earn rewards and badges to help you stay motivated and engaged. It is also important to note that GoHenry has spending limits and restrictions in place to help you stay safe and responsible with your money. For example, you may not be able to spend money at certain types of stores or merchants. To get the most out of your GoHenry allowances, make sure to take advantage of the budgeting and tracking features in the app. You can also set up savings goals and work towards achieving them. By being responsible and mindful of your spending, you can make the most of your GoHenry allowances and develop good money management habits that will last a lifetime. In conclusion, spending with GoHenry allowances is a great way for kids and teens to learn how to manage their money and develop good financial habits. By following these steps and using the features in the GoHenry app, you can make the most of your allowances and set yourself up for financial success.